Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Razovy, and today I want to talk about Flix-cli. Now, or Cli, however the hell you want to say it. Now, this is really, if you want to watch movies or TV shows in your terminal, whether that is on Linux, on Mac, or on Windows, this is the way to do it. This is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. It is so freaking useful. Now on Mac, I kind of had a little bit of trouble to get to really set it up. Eventually it worked, but on Mac it was kind of iffy. On Windows and on Linux though, this thing works like a charm. By the way, on Android it works as well. How do I know? I have an Android phone and it worked perfectly a-okay. I believe it's just package install Flix-cli. I think that's the only thing you gotta do on Android. It is so simple. Android is really underrated, and I don't know why, because it's so freaking cool. Anyway, let's take a look at Flix-cli. Let's take a look at how to actually properly use it. It's really simple. The installation process is something that you need to look up in the GitHub. I'm not going to go over everything here, but it's for real. It's so simple. Come on, it's like pip install Flix-cli. You can do pip install Flix-cli. You can do that. Anyway, so let's go and actually use the thing. You simply type in Flix-cli or Cli. Again, I don't know how to pronounce it. And then you can type in anything. Okay, so let's say that we want to watch the movie War Dogs. Good movie. Really good movie. War Dogs, 2016, I believe. So we go to War Dogs 2016. We click on enter. And it'll start the playback. And there we go. War Dogs is now officially here. Here. So we got War Dogs. Now, this is from movies, like I said. But it's not just for movies, okay? By the way, before we continue, I should say this. If you want to use this for anime, I highly advise against using Flix-cli or Cli. There is a better one. It's called AnyCli. I don't have it installed on my Windows PC. I'll install it later then. I have a video. I have it on my Linux device. Anyway, that aside. If you want to use AnyCli and actually learn how to use it, I have a video. I'll link it at the top right of your screen right now. And also do it in the pinned comment and in the description. That is for anime. Anyway, let's continue with Flix-cli. Now, besides movies, like I said, you can also watch, well, TV. You can watch anything modern, anything old, to prove that even the older shows are available, because modern stuff is always available. You know what I mean? I think we all know that. But even the older stuff, so let's say that Third Rock from the Sun. This is one of my all-time favorite sitcoms. It is so freaking funny. I watch this almost daily. So we go to Third Rock from the Sun, click on yes. Let's say season 3, and we want to watch episode 5, which is, I believe, Scaredy. Yes, Scaredy Dick. That's a funny episode. And as you can see, it works. We have Third Rock from the Sun. Now, something that I have never tried, so I'll do it blank. Is use it for anime. As far as I know, you cannot use it for anime, but I want to at least show you if it's possible, yes or no. Use AnyCli, please. But maybe Flix-cli offers it as well. I'm not sure. I've never tried. So let's say that we want to watch Chainsaw Man. I'm not sure if it does this. Again, use AnyCli. Link in the description. Watch that video. But maybe it'll work. So Chainsaw Man season 1. Season 1. And let's say that we want to watch episode 3. Let's see if it works. Who knows? It works. Okay, that's cool. So even for anime, it's possible. But what I'm kind of curious about is what about anime movies? So let's do Flix-cli again, or Cli. Let's see if the Chainsaw Man movie is available. The Razovy one. I'm not sure. Is it the movie? Let's see if it works. That'd be cool. That'd be freaking cool. Let's see. And yes, it works. All right, cool. Now, so for who is Flix-cli? Well, basically, if you like to use the terminal, or if you at least think this is cool, if you like to dabble in the terminal a bit, this is so freaking cool. Are there other websites out there that do the same thing? Of course. There's so many of them. But how cool is it that you can use the terminal to actually watch your stuff? So, I'm not sure if this has everything. So I have a large Indian following. By the way, hello to all of my Indian friends. I'm not sure if Bollywood movies are on here. Unfortunately, I don't know a lot about Bollywood and all the kind of stuff, so I cannot really search one because I just don't know. But maybe I cannot guarantee that Bollywood or any other non-American stuff is on here. I just don't know. Okay, but as you can see, Japanese anime is on here, and well, of course, American stuff is on here. Is this worth it though? Yes. Especially if you use the terminal a lot, this is incredibly worth it. But even without using it, I mean, come on. How cool is it that you can watch anything that you want in the terminal? The only thing that you need to know is that you need MPV. So most people either use the default video player on Windows or whatever, or use VLC. In theory, you can use VLC with Flix-cli, but it defaults to MPV, and in my humble opinion, MPV is the best video player out there in the first place. Use MPV. You can just download it for free. It's all free. Flix-cli is free too. By the way, if for some reason you have no freaking clue at some point what to do, let's say that you are completely stuck, okay? Let's say that that's the case. Use something like Gemini in your terminal to ask it how to fix it. It'll fix it for you. I remember the first time trying to install this on Windows, I thought it was kind of difficult. I don't anymore. I can now install it on Windows rather easily. But when I had no idea, so I had Gemini do it for me. By the way, if you want to know how to use Gemini, I also made a video about this, so I'll top right of your screen right now. Also link in the description and in the pinned comment, etc., etc. But an AI chat model in your terminal is really freaking useful because it is able to control your terminal and therefore your computer. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, if you thought that this video was useful, do me a favor, click on the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed, click on the subscribe button. I was Razovy, and you were you. And I will see you guys later. Goodbye.